Today we're looking at how to do push-ups for beginners, and then I'm going to show you one or two progressions as you get stronger. Okay, so push-ups for beginners. The very simplest form of a push-up, if you haven't done one before, is against the wall. Place your hands at shoulder height against the wall. Step back slightly. Make sure you've got a straight line from your heels through to your hips to your shoulders. Keep your core strong. As you inhale, pivot from your ankles, keeping your body straight, and exhale, push back up. Feel like you're retracting your shoulder blades and push back up. As you get stronger, you'll be able to then progress to perhaps doing it against a box or a sofa or a low wall if you're outside. So from here, the same principle applies. I want to keep a straight line from my knees to my hips to my shoulders. My hands are out in front of me here. As I inhale, I'm going to drop my chest, squeeze my shoulders together, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Be careful you don't start to kick your hips back and just pivot from here. You don't want to hinge from the waist. Make sure you pivot just from your knees to keep your core strong, nice and straight. From here, inhale and exhale. The progression from the box is on your knees down on the floor. Same as before, you want to keep a nice straight line from your knees to your hips to your shoulders. Make sure your hands are directly beneath your shoulders. Looking forward, keep your core strong. You inhale as you drop and exhale as you push up. Pivoting from your knees. Make sure you don't push back your hips. Keep your core strong and make sure you don't dip your head forward. So from here, you're dropping your chest and pushing up. And the last progression I'm going to show you, developing from there, is coming up onto your toes. You come up into a nice flat plank position. Nice straight line from your heels to your hips to your shoulders. And then from here, as you inhale, you drop your chest and exhale, push up. As you get stronger, you can take it down deeper, making sure that it's your chest that's dropping and you're not pushing forward with your head. Okay, so that's push-ups for beginners with a few progressions as well. Good luck, guys.